Hello, today we're going to make some really pretty ornaments using epoxy resin and a mold. So first I put some white glitter into about 8.5 ounces of epoxy resin. I've already mixed my resin up. My resin is part A and B, equal parts mixed, but just read your directions on your resin and you'll be able to figure out how to mix it up. But this is 8.5 ounces. Now I'm putting some green glitter flakes. I love these because it gives it a really iridescent, beautiful shine, and you'll see how pretty the result is when you mix these different colors together. So again, there's white glitter, and then there's green, and this is a purpley blue color of the glitter flakes, and we're going to add some pink glitter flakes in as well. And you can tell I'm putting in quite a bit of that. It's probably about 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of the glitter flakes a piece. So it is going to take a lot because it's a lot of resin we're mixing up. This is a pretty big cup, so you want it really full of glitter because it's going to make your ornaments really pretty. And you can already tell, look how pretty the shine is. I felt it needed a little bit more pink, so we added that. And now look how beautiful. Okay, so I was really excited to use this mixture. This is the same mixture we used in our previous ornaments, except we're going to use a different mold and we're going to do something a little bit different this time. So we're going to pour it into this mold. I like this mold because you can get 6 pretty good size ornaments, but you don't use too much resin because they're not as thick as some of the other ornament molds are. So I feel like you can make more ornaments with less resin, which is great, because resin can get expensive. So I'm pouring the resin completely full in the mold, making it even with the top of the mold. And I usually, if I'm doing a big ornament like this, I just pour it in, and then if I need more, I'll try to get it out a little bit with the jumbo popsicle stick that I'm using to stir with. You just want to pour it out and get it as even as possible. You don't want to overfill it because it'll make a mess. And then you don't want to underfill it either because then you'll have a ridge that you'll have to sand down. So if you can get it as even as possible with the top of that mold, you'll have a better turnout. So you see the little circle on top. You are going to want to make sure the resin gets into all that, or you'll have a little gap in it, and then your hook will fall out of your ornament and you won't be able to use it. So I take a little toothpick and I just make sure the resin is completely incorporated along that ridge. And then you let it set overnight and you can demold it, and look how pretty when the sunshine hits it. It's so beautiful. I love the shine. And so I have these Dragonfly stickers, and they're clear around the edges, which is what you want. If you're doing stickers with resin, you don't want to have like a border. It just looks so much better when you have a clear sticker. So you can either make your own with clear sticker paper and a printer, which I've done before. You can buy stickers from wherever and use those. So these dragonflies I've had for a while, but I thought they would be really pretty with the collar theme for these ornaments, and they turned out so beautiful. And so you just put them directly on there, and see how you can't really see the border of them? That's why you want the clear stickers. And then just try to find one that fits the shape of your ornament. You can do any sticker you want. And if you have a system like Canva or something like that, you could get images off of there and use it, or Creative Fabrica, get your images off there and then print them off on clear paper or clear sticker paper, and you can make whatever ones you wanted, or whatever like words or sayings you wanted. You could do those too, or you could just get them off of Amazon. I'm going to show you in a minute what some word ones would look like on here as well. So here I got these from Amazon. So these would be so pretty on it as well. If you wanted to do a quote or a Bible verse or any type of saying, you could put those on there as well. Or again, make your own. So these stickers in particular, you have to peel them towards the front, because I tried to do it the opposite way and they weren't doing it right. So to peel them off easily, peel them towards the front to get it off. I really love how these turned out with these glitter flakes. And also with these stickers, if you accidentally put it in the wrong place, as long as it's not all the way down, you can move it. So you're about to see that happen. So I put it in the wrong place and it didn't ruin it at all. I was able to move it because it wasn't completely down, and you can't tell that it happened. So I really like these stickers. You can put some UV resin on to dome the top to seal it off if you want, and put it under the UV light to finish it off. But I really love how these turned out. Look how they look through the light. So pretty. These will make great gifts for Christmas or for your own tree. If you like how these turned out, please like and subscribe. I have a ton more videos on my channel. This is the other ornaments we've done so far, and I was just showing you as a collective whole what they look like. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Have a Merry Christmas.